The Harmonium plugin is protected by an iLock system. You do not actually need a physical iLock to register your serial number, but you can create a free iLock account at ilock.com and then transfer this serial or protection to your particular computer. Let's see how to do that. The first step is to go to ilock.com and create a free account. So we press the button on top of this page. Now we come to the first field. It asks for a user ID. Here we type in a username that we desire to keep for the iLock account. The next tab is the first name and the last name. You can fill these respective fields. And the other required field is the email address that you have. Then you re-enter it and then enter a unique password that you wish to keep for this account. Then you also need to specify your date of birth, security question, and answer. As soon as you create this account, you will receive a notification from ilock.com. We will now download the iLock License Manager software onto our computer. This works on both Mac and PC. We click the tab on top and go to the iLock License Manager. From here, we pick the operating system and computer that we're using. For example, I'm using the Mac OS X, so I'm going to click Mac OS X. But if you're using a Windows 64-bit or 32-bit version, you can click the respective link. As soon as you purchase the Bollywood Harmonium, you will receive an email from us. The email will have all of the links that you require in order to download and run the Bollywood Harmonium. Your serial number is stated on top here. The links to download the UVI player for Mac, Windows, and Windows 64 are also stated below. And then ultimately, the Harmonium plugins link is at the bottom. Download the respective workstation and the plugin and keep the serial handy. Go through the instructions and install this player. All the plugin formats will now be installed. We will now go to the BollywoodSounds UVI registration page. This link has been provided to you on your email. This is the page where we will deposit the license to your iLock ID. You need to type in your name, email, the newly created iLock username that you just did on the iLock website, and then the serial number that we provided to you as soon as you made the purchase. Then you click register. After this process, the license will automatically be deposited to your iLock account. We move on now to the next step. We will now open the iLock License Manager that we just downloaded. The iLock License Manager window will now open. Press the Sign In tab on the left. It will now ask you for the user ID and password that you just created at the ilock.com website. We will now sign in. There we go. The Bollywood Harmonium license has now been deposited onto the iLock account. But this is not the end of it. We need to transfer this license onto the computer or onto a physical iLock that you might own. I would like to repeat again that it is not necessary to own a physical iLock key. You can instead install the license onto your computer. Once you drag the license to the left side onto your computer, it will then be installed. We will now open the free UVI workstation player. Or you can open the VST AU plugin inside of your DAW on the Mac or on the PC. In this case, I'm going to open the Standalone UVI workstation. We will double click to open the browser and then point the browser to the Bollywood Harmonium UFS file and double click that file. As soon as I double click the file, the presets of our Harmonium will appear in this page. Now let's start with the first preset, which is the Bollywood Harmonium. The plugin is now loaded successfully, as you can see. In order to browse to the presets, you can press the right tab on top of the window. This is the vintage mode, and it's especially my favorite. You must check it out. As you can see, we can easily browse through all the presets and also load more parts into the system. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that it helps you to install the plugin easily. Thanks for watching.